The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, moonroof, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, front floor mats, four-wheel ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, rear defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.